What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Rob's house. We got another small modification we're going to be doing to the Corvette today. We got these diffuser fins in hydrocarbon that we're going to be putting on the Corvette. This will just make my rear diffuser look a little more aggressive. Anyone who owns a C7 or is familiar with C7s, I'm sure you've seen people that have the added fins down here, so that's what we're going to be installing today. The installation procedure is pretty straightforward. So this kit is from Extreme Online Store. Okay, I read some pretty good reviews about them, actually. We're going to be adding these 4 fins onto the diffuser. Obviously, they give you the fins, they give you the installation hardware here, they give you an installation manual, and they give you the template. So if we take a look at the template, so we're going to cut these templates out, we're going to tape them onto the diffuser, and then we're going to actually drill 1/4-inch diameter holes. So I'll probably just center punch each one of those, drill a 1/4-inch diameter hole, and then use the installation hardware to bolt the fins on. I'm gonna put the rear up on jack stands, I think. I don't think I'm gonna jack the front up because I don't really need to. I'm just gonna chalk the front wheels. I will just jack the rear up just so it makes it easier for me to get under it, because we do have to bolt the fins on from the inside of the diffuser. So just having the rear end of the car up in the air will help me a little bit. So anyway, let me move the car, let me put it on jack stands. I'll get these templates cut out and taped up, and then I'll show you the actual installation procedure. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, we're ready to start drilling. I've already mounted the templates on both sides, and I have center punched some holes already, so I'm just gonna get to work. All I gotta do is drill these holes and then mount up the diffuser fins, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, guys, check it out. We got our mounting holes drilled in here. Pretty simple. The directions say to start with a 1/8 inch drill bit and then widen it with a 1/4 inch drill bit. So that's what I did. Now we're just gonna install the fins, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, guys, all done. Install was really easy, really straightforward. I know you guys already saw the time lapses, so anyway, here's the fins on the left side, Here's the fins on the right side. Just make sure if you buy one of these kits, 2 of the fins are angled slightly one way and then the other 2 are angled slightly the other way to make sure they orientate properly. So just make sure that you line them up properly. You'll know if you're using the right ones for a given side because they'll look really cockeye and like tilted if you're using the wrong one. So anyway, just to avoid any confusion, there are 2 per side, 2 left, 2 right. The manual says that they're marked, but mine were not marked. That was the only point of confusion. Aside from that, it's pretty straightforward install. Center punch, use a 1/8 inch drill bit, then widen it out with a 1/4 inch drill bit. And then the screws that they provide you, they come with washers. So just put the washers on the inside and then tighten the screws down into the holes provided on the diffuser fins. That's all there is to it. Pretty simple. I'm gonna call it for tonight. I'll give you guys a walk around in the morning. I'll show you what the finished product looks like. But that ends it for today. As usual, I hope this video was helpful and I'll see you guys next time.
Cause we're aiming